Jennifer Aniston's dog lived until 20 years without seeing the vet, yet still no one believes her when she revealed this simple things that can make your dog live longer. Giving your dog watermelon is the best hydration for them with essential vitamins, and dogs love the taste of it. Bad breath is an intestinal issue for dogs. Adding chopped parsley will detox their toxins and make their breath 100 times better. Adding yogurt to meals soothes your dog's upset stomach. It works wonders for relieving diarrhea or constipation. Cucumbers help fat dogs drop some pounds. They keep dogs full and hydrated and contain essential minerals in them. She always recommends adding collagen drops to their food. They help with weak joints, keep skin healthy, and make their coats soft and shiny. You can find it on Amazon. Just search Taily Collagen.